Hi there, this is Jim Knoll. Today I want to talk to you about voice broadcasting as a business opportunity. There's a lot of things I like about it. For example, I like that it's unique. If I joined a travel company, I would probably have 50 or other travel companies to compete with. If I joined a nutritional company, I'd probably have well over 200 nutritional companies to compete with. You have a lot more competition, and actually we are the only one in the space, so it's very, very unique. No competition that way. The other thing I like about it, is that any home business could use our services. If you're in Amway, if you're in prepaid legal or coastal vacations, EDC, whatever, you can still use our services because we can help you generate leads. Very important, guys. Lots of potential customers out there. Number three, I like the fact that you don't need marketing expertise. I can generate leads in a lot of different ways. I can generate 10, 50, 100 leads a day through internet marketing. But the average person, it would take you months, probably, if not years, to get really good at it. And for most people, that's just simply too long. What I like about voice broadcasting, is you can set up your business in a couple days, set up your voice broadcast, and literally generate 5, 10, 20 leads a day for your business. People actually calling you back. And so not only is it much faster, very minimal learning curve, but it's also very duplicatable. If you have someone starting in your business and they ask you, well, how do you generate leads? You can show them how to use the same system you're already marketing. Very powerful, guys. So, you also have a little cost. It's $500. It's not a lot of money for a real business opportunity. You make money from the first sale on. You make $250 on your first sale, $250 on your second sale, and then after that, guys, $500 to unlimited depth. Guys, to unlimited depth, 500 bucks. So you make your first two sales, you already made your money back. That's how fast you can make the money. Again, you have a lead source that can generate business for you right away. That's one of the keys and really one of the challenges you find in a normal home business is the lack of leads. And we've already taken care of that for you. In addition, I'm part of one of the best teams in the company. You're going to get my training site. I charge $600 for my training site, where I teach you internet marketing techniques. We're going to give you that for free. No charge to you or your team that joins you. Huge, guys, huge. Lots of reasons to check this out. I say check it out at ibuzzprosite.com, ibuzzprosite.com. If you have any questions, feel free to give me a call, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.